There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's insider call for Kraitos. My name is Dominic, and we're gonna work through and look through the Kraitos, how it performs. If anybody has any questions, I don't have it right now, so you can write me. So if you have any questions, please have the Discord open so you can write it in Discord, and I will check all your questions in Discord and I will answer your questions. So please write to me in Discord. That's the easiest way, so I can answer all of your questions. So this week Kraitos performed really good again. As I already predicted, it's going to be really good because Kraitos has a really awesome way of trading, also looking for trades. So me and the developer, we went through a little bit and we redid the explanation how Kraitos trades. So the explanation, it's already now in the Google Slides that I put it together for Kraitos, so you can look into that too. And yeah, so let's jump into the share screen. I'm gonna share my screen with you, and let's go here. So here actually you have it how Kraitos trades. Initial trade, first trade, at least 3 conditions has to be met from the following, okay? RSI, momentum, candlestick pattern, and liquidity pool. So 3 things of the 4 have to be met before Kraitos is going to take a trade. It scans the market on the M30 time frame, and it's looking also of the break of a lower low or a higher high. Example for a buy. So price, it's in a liquidity pool that's below fair market price. So that means RSI is really low, plus momentum change from bearish to bullish. There it's a bullish engulfing candle. It has to be a bullish engulfing candle, but RSI isn't below 30 yet. Then we will take the trade, okay? Because 3 conditions were met. So this is really important that you guys all also understand. Managing trade. If market moves against us, Kraitos won't just open a bunch of trades. I got quite some messages about when Kraitos is gonna open up another trade on AUD CAD this week, and that's the magic from Kraitos. They just doesn't open randomly trades out, but it's waiting that the market, first of all, it has to come to the break of market structure, and also 3 conditions has to be confirmed before it's gonna take a trade. So that means that we can always be safe while we are trading with Kraitos. So we also have the example here in the slides. So study these examples because these examples always happen in the market. So you see here when Euro USD went against us, a big spike to the upside of 120 pips. We didn't take a trade, but when the market reversed and we had a break of structure and the retest, then we took the trade. And this is a prime example. So this break of structure, you also have to know it doesn't just happen on M30. It has to happen on M30, H1, or H4, okay, for Kraitos to take a trade. So this is really, really important for you guys to understand that you're not just gonna see trades to see the trades, okay? So everything gets explained here in this Google Slides. So please go through it, take your time, read everything through it. And then the next thing, what it's really important, what I was talking this week with him, is actually the to the take profit of a scaling pair, okay, pips. So how this works, okay? It's 4 pips, it's break even plus 4 pips. So what does break even mean? If we have a second trade open, okay, and the second trade goes into a positive, so now the second trade covered all the swaps, also the commissions, that's the break even. So when we're on break even with the commission and the swap, then it's 4 pips plus. This is the default settings. Then it's gonna close it out. I was also talking to him about what if we would do this like 4 pips, 10 pips, 20 pips when we get the scaling trade, the second trade or second trade, third trade, fourth trade. He's like, like our thinking is this way. We just want to be out of the market if there is like 2, 3, 4 trades open, because we can go for more pips, but then like what if market reverses at 5 pips and it still goes against us? So he's like, let's be out of the market as soon as possible. And this is like also the safest way. So they're also working on the trading take profit on the first trade. So I hope it's going to be done really soon, because I really think that that's going to enhance our trading. Also, our profit is going to go up. And also what we were discussing actually to when we have the trailing stop loss and let's say Euro USD, it's already in plus, we have the profit secured. Then that we remove the currency shield, so it can take up like another USD trade or another Euro trade, so we can also get profits like that. So this is like a really nice what we were talking about. Let me just go here. Let me see if there's like any questions. Kraitos traders, no, there's like no questions. But yeah, this is like the things that we're thinking about to doing, implementing the trailing stop loss and the currency shield. That it gets that it's allowing us to actually then enter more trades. So here you can see this is Derek's account on the 150k. So here, if you're looking at this MYFXBOOK, you always have to like put here all and then remove USD 30 and NOS, because these were like few trades from MMT. So you can see here his account, it's like really cruising like nice, like almost no drawdown. You can see he did like 0.59% this week, so $864, and this month he's up now $914. So if we go here and go see cost analysis like the last week, how it did 1 week, you can see the drawdown, it's like almost non-existing. It's 0.09. So here it's my Kraitos account. I'm running my Kraitos account a little bit more aggressive, I would say. I'm trading with 4 pairs at the same time. I wouldn't suggest that to somebody that is just starting out with Kraitos. Later you can do it when you're getting comfortable with Kraitos. So this is like what I'm doing, and you can see my growth, it's now like 10.74%. So what does that mean? Well, I'm like showing you abs gain, because my equity protector is set to 25%. So what does 25% mean? If the market goes against me, I would lose 25% of my account. And because I already did 10%, I'm only risking now 15% of my initial deposit. So when this account grows for 15 more percent, then I'm actually trading risk free, and I'm not doing anything with my deposit anymore. So my full deposit is safe. So I'm trading now with just the profit that I made. So once I get to 25% in abs gain, then I'm trading risk free. So this week I did 1.78%, $63, and this month I'm up 3.03% and $104. So we are just now like 1 week. We have 3 more weeks to go, so we will see how it goes. So here you can see also net accounts, net worth account, and you can see he's also up 1.73%, 2% for this week. This month he is right now in 1 trade, also performing amazing. You can see his account is a little bit longer, 3.5%, 6%, then almost 5%, and now we're already up 2%. So we are really cruising with Kraitos, and this is like what I really love to see. Here it's Bill's account. This is actually like negative pips, so this is like not a negative day, but it's negative pips because he had like more trades open. So normally, if a trade closes, first trade, second trade it's in plus, first trade it's in minus in pips, then it's gonna show pips in minus, and this is like you see 44 pips we lost, and here we lost 34 pips. But as you see here, if you go to profit, you will see there was like no negative day. So this is like also I'm showing you how to read the MYFXBOOK. Also, you can see he is making 3.68% on average per month. He's up now 4.53%. And again, the account, it's really cruising. You can also see the drawdown here. The drawdown, the max what it was 1.7%. And this is like what me personally I like to see the drawdown. It's small because the profits are always gonna come. Here it's also my test with 5 pip take profit. As you see, it's also performing amazing. I'm trading here actually like 6 pairs at the same time, and I'm trading all the pairs, just not the JPY pairs. This week it did 1.10%, $11, and this one 1.52, so altogether it did 4.35%. Amazing result. Also, you can see wins 93% of the trades, and right now I have open NZD Swiss franc and Euro GBP and AUD CAD with 0.82% of drawdown. So drawdown is really here also really low. Let me see. I think that we got some messages here on Discord. Let me just open it. Let me on the live. Could you please let me know what are the settings recommendations for funding challenges? Thanks. So for funding challenges, there is like recommendation. It's you just need to know what your prop firm allows, like how much drawdown your prop firm allows. This is like the only thing that you have to actually look at it. So I'm gonna open it up so that you guys can also see. So for what I would do personally for a prop firm, I will show you right now. For a prop firm, I would do it properties for Kraitos. So I would do it like this way. Decision units in pips, I would change it to 35 from 27 to 35. Why? Because prop firms have like a lot of restrictions with these drawdown limits, so I would put it like so it doesn't open up like so many trades. Me personally, I'm always like prepared that the market's gonna move like 350 pips to 500 pips like with no reason. Okay, so I want to be safe in a situation like that. I personally, I would go like 0.01 per 1,500 or 2,000, and then like if I'm trading a prop firm, I would like manage my account like look more at my account because of the drawdown restrictions, but I would go with 0.02. Here, maximum instruments to trade, I would go with 4, so I can like utilize the most pairs that I can at the same time. Bulwark, so currency shield, I would turn it on to true, and then add to position if positive. I would turn it on to true because I would manage it, and I would have settings like how you see it here. If a trade it's 30 pips in profit, and a second trade, and then trade with 10 pips. So that means that it secured 20 pips, and then if the market like turns against me, I would lose 10 pips. So altogether, I would be taken out with 10 pips. Okay, then take profit at pivot levels. I would have it to false. First take profit, I would have it at 10, and then here I would have it like with a prop firm, I would leave it like how the developers say it. But me, because I'm like looking at Kraitos high trades, I would like maybe go with 20, but like if you're not gonna look, just leave it here with 4. Spread filter, leave it at 3, and then equity protection, I don't know like what is your daily drawdown limit. If it's 5, you set it here to 4, and then max allowed lot size, I would put it like here, like how we normally do. If you would have a 100k account, you would have a 100k account, so you divide it by 10,000, you would have to put here 10 lots. Okay, and this is like how I would set it up for the prop firm. But me personally, it's like if you already have a prop firm account, that you already have it, that you don't have to do the challenge. then it's good for you because you can like run conservatively and you can do like 2-3% a month easily. But if you don't have a prop firm account yet and you think that like Kratos is gonna like do the challenge for you, I don't think that Kratos will be able to do the 10% in 30 days, especially with all the limitations that prop firms have. So I wouldn't even like waste my money like on that to try to do the challenge with a prop firm. I know that there are like some prop firms that they're like a little bit more expensive, but they actually give you live money, like to trade straight away. The only thing is that like you can like start with like 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 20,000. I think the most, and then every time that you do like 10% plus that account, there is like no time limit when you have to do that 10%. Then they increase your account like for 100%. So it's better to look into an option like that because it's gonna be easier for you, and also you don't have to be now like running like for 10% in 30 days. Instead, you can just do 10% in 4 months, and if you do 10% every 4 months, your account gets like doubled. So, and the biggest account that they have, it's 1.2 million. So, in my opinion, it's better to look into these options. Personally, I will get one account like that and just like try to build it up to see how it goes. You can also like put in like some manual trades, like if you're trading manually. So I think this is like a better way to go with Kratos with the prop firms. But in my opinion, it's always best to like trade with your own money, like build up your account, and then once you have your account built, you can get like a little bit more riskier. So me, like when I'm like risk free, when I have like 25% done, I'm just gonna leave it like the settings that you've seen, and that's it. Because the most important thing is that like you start trading, when you start trading and then using softwares, is that as soon as possible you're like risk free. So this is what I'm doing with Kratos. If there's like no more questions, I think we went like through everything. We are like really active also in Discord, so this is like really good for all of us. But yeah, like Kratos, it's really like a software. Once you understand how it trades, you set it up, and that's it, and then just enjoy the ride. So I love it for now. So guys, if you have any questions, drop them in Discord. Of course, I'm gonna answer them. If you're gonna write me on Sunday in Discord, Sunday it's my day off that I spend with families on Sunday. Don't expect like for me to respond, but I'm gonna respond definitely on Monday. So yeah, guys, thank you for everybody that joined in live. The next time I will already have the live chat, so we can all see the live chat, so you can message the questions. But yeah, thank you again for your time. I hope you are enjoying Kratos, and I hope there's going to be more and more customers that will be enjoying Kratos and the profit. So thank you guys, and talk to you soon. Bye.